I want to get into this camera. We call this the Gary's making a point camera point of view when I'm really stressed to the audience what's going on. And I want to stress that in these days of not being able to have trade shows, you've got to understand that your audience on a live show isn't the same thing as someone walking by your booth in a trade show. You've got to be more engaging, more captivating. You've got to keep them and hold them on. So how do you hold them on? Here it comes, our do's and don'ts for trade shows. Don't be a talking head. Don't just sit there as a talking head. I go like this. This is my emphasis camera. If this was the camera I was going to be on the whole show, you'd be turning off in about 2 or 3 minutes. Even if I had great lower thirds popping up like Video Guys is the best place in the world, doesn't matter. You're not going to watch the show. You want to see different camera angles of what's going on. So we use multiple camera angles. So if you can see there, we're actually going to go through those angles now, right, Oliver? So the first angle is the straightforward angle. That's our CX350 camera that we use for the wide shot. We will also use this for different levels of zooming in on different shows and different outlines. The next one is the one I told you about, my emphasis camera that's over here. And then we also use this camera. This happens to be a PTZ camera, so it shows us a couple other shots. So what are some of the other shots it's going to show us? Let's show them this one, Oliver. This is our Z-Cam photo. This is the one we use when we have product things we're going to show. Now, I don't have any products on the table right now, so we don't have to show you what that looks like, but we'll show you that when we, like, if you see on this screen, that's where I had all the different hard drives lined up. And then we also will do a shot. That's our product in tight shot, like I have here. Hey, here's this great hard drive. You want to get this hard drive? It's the greatest thing in the whole world. There's your tight shot of it, or a Ohio State Cup, whatever you're going to go with. So by mixing up your shots, once again, 2 cameras giving you 3 cameras giving you multiple different angles makes the show go better and look better. And that's how you keep your audience too, by cutting frequently. If you're staying 3 or 4 minutes on the same exact shot with the same exact slide, you're losing people.